Hello everyone, this is Sanju. Welcome to VitaminIAS Academy. In this video, we are going to discuss about ratio, previous year's questions, and that to top 20 questions we are going to discuss in further 55 minutes. And who is watching this video for the first time, please watch earlier videos that you will get the more clarity regarding ratios. And before that, please do subscribe to VitaminIAS Academy. Let's start the class. Here our first question. If A is to B is equal to 5 is to 8, A is to B is equal to 5 is to 8, and C is to B is equal to 4 is to 3, and C is to B is equal to 4 is to 3, C is to B is equal to 4 is to 3, or as B is to C is equal to 3 is to 4. Then A is to B is to C is equal to. This question came in SSC CGL in 2019. So let us solve this question. He want A is to B is to C. So simple way, 5 is to 8 and 3 is to 4. So we have vacant places here. So we have to fill these vacant places with the adjacent side. Then what will happen? 3 here and 8 here. So let us multiply 3 into 5, 15. 8 3s are 24. 8 4s are 32. So finally what is the output here? The answer here, 15 east, 24 east, 32, and option C will be the right answer. This question came in CGL, SSC CGL in 2019. Our second question, if A is to B is equal to 5 is to 8 and B is to C is equal to 8 is to 3, then what will be the answer of A is to B is to C? This question came in SSC CHSL in 2019. So A is to B is equal to 5 is to 8 and B is to C is equal to 8 is to 3. Simply by looking at the question only we can solve it. What is the answer here? 5 is to 8 is to 3. How? Because here B and here B are equal. Here B and here B are equal. That's why simply we can write it 5 is to 8 is to 3, or else by shortcut also we can do it. How? 5 is to 8, same model and same process. 5 is to 8 and 8 is to 3. Then what will happen? We have to fulfill the vacant places by adjacent place. Then what will happen? 5 into 8, 40, and 8 into 8, 64. And what will happen? 8 into 3, 24. So what will happen if you are just dividing into the completely 8? Then what will you get? 5, 8 and 3. 5 east, 8 east, 3. This is the answer. And by looking at the question only we already solved within 2 seconds. Within 2 seconds I already told you what is the answer here? 5 is to 8 and 8 is to 3. So here B and here B are equal. That's why 5 is to 8 is to 3 will be the answer. By 2 seconds you can solve this question. Next question. If x is to y is equal to 1 is to 2, x is to y is equal to 1 is to 2, find the value of 2x plus 4y, 2x plus 4y east x plus 4y. Here x indicates 1 and y indicates 2, means x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. We know the value of x and we know the value of 2. We know the value of y also. Here this question asked in SSC CGL in 2022 and means recent papers only. In recent papers this type of questions asked. So here x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. Just submit this value into the x and y, then you will get the answer. 2 into 1 plus 4 into 2 is 1 plus 4 into 2, means 2 1s are 2 plus 4 2s are 8 is 1 plus 4 2s are 8. So simply you will get the answer 10 is 9. So simply you will get the answer 10 is 9. Here the option A will be the right answer, 10 is to 9. This question asked in SSC CGL. So please take care of this type of question and practice more, then you will get the right answers. Here our next question. P is to Q is equal to 10 is to 11 and Q is to R is equal to 11 is to 12. Then what is the value of P plus Q, Q plus R and R plus P. For solving this question, we need to know P is to Q is to R. By seeing the question only, we can simply answer. What is the answer here? P is to Q is to R will be 10 is to 11 is to 12. As I told you, here Q is right. Q here, Q and Q are same. Q and Q are same with 11 value. Q and Q are same. That's why simply we can write 10 is 12, 11 is 12. 10 is 11 is 12. So here, or else we can do in a shortcut way. Let us do in a shortcut way. 10 is to 11 and 11 is 12. Here we have to do here because adjacent side 11 only. So here 11 cancel, here 11 cancel, and here 11 cancel. So what will happen? 10 is 11 is 12 will be the answer. Same I told you within 2 seconds only. So please be aware of this type of shortcuts. And now the question is P plus Q. How much? P here, P, Q, R. Okay, P plus Q means 10 plus 11 is equal to 21, and Q plus R is equal to how much? 11 plus 12. 11 plus 12 is equal to 23, and R plus P is equal to how much? R plus 3 how much? 10 plus, and R plus P is equal to how much? 10 plus 12 is equal to how much? 22. Means 21 is 23 and 22 will be the answer. The option 1 will be the answer. 21 is 23 and 22 will be the answer. Here again I'm telling you, if Q and Q are same, that's why simply we can write 10, 12, 11, 12 as a ratio of P is to Q is to R. Please be aware, this type of question asked in SSC CHSL in 2022 means recent papers only. Here our next question, X is to Y is equal to 6 is to 5, Y is to Z is equal to 9 is to 4, and Z is W is equal to 2 is 3. So he want X, Z, W. Simply just find X, Y, Z, W. Then you will get the X, Y, X, Z, W. So let us solve X, Y, Z, W. So 6 is to 5, 9 is to 4, 2 is to 3. So we have adjacent places here. We have adjacent places. So simply place adjacent. We have vacant places here, and simply place the adjacent values 5 here and 5 here, 4 here and 9 here, and 2 here and here 2. So in every ratio 2 is common. So cancel the 2. 2, 2 and 2 2s are, and 2 2s are. 6 9s are how much? 54 is 5 9s are 45, and 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20, and 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30 here. So what he needed, this is X, this is Y, this is Z and W. He need X, Z, W only. X, Z, W only. So X value 54, Z value 20 and W value 30. So if you are just dividing entire ratio by 2, what will happen? 27 is 10 is 15. The answer will come 27 is 10 is 15. Let us see this option is there or not. Here, yeah, exactly. Option B will be the right answer. Option B will be the right answer. And this type of question asked in SSC MTS. In our next question, sixth question, if A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3, then find 5A plus 3B is 6A minus 2B. Means here A is equal to how much? 2. B is equal to 3. Means we know the value of A, we know the value of B. Then just simply place into the A and B values, then you will get the answer. So 5A plus 3B, 6A minus 2B. Here 5 into A means 2 plus 3 into B means 3 is 6. A value 2 minus 2, B value 3. Then what will be the answer here? 5 2s are 10 plus 9 is 6 2s are 12 minus 6. Means here 19 is 6. 19 is 6 will be the answer for this value. So 19 is 6. Yeah, option A will be the right answer. Option A will be the right answer. And this type of questions asked in CGL, SSC CGL, that to 2019. So just do more practice, then you will easily can do this type of sums. Here our next question. In a bag, black tablet covers and white tablet covers are in the ratio of 5:9. Means black and white, how much? 5:9. And there are 450 white tablets cover. Means white how many? 450. Means 450 is equal to 9. So 9x is equal to 450. X is equal to how much? 450 by 9, then 50. X is equal to 50. X is equal to 50. But here the question is not finding x. The question is how many black tablet covers are there in the bag. So black tablet cover there in the bag. You already gave the ratio 5. So 5x you need to find. But 5 into x value how much? 50. So 250 will be the answer here. Here 250 will be the answer. Simply we can take the ratio and equivalent to that what they given the data. Like, if they're giving black, then what will happen? So black 5 is equivalent to 450. Means 5x is equal to 450. Means x is equal to, if this question, this answer will be related to the black. If the black is equal to 450, I'm saying that if the black is equal to 450, then x will be 90. Then what will happen? White will be 9 into 90, 810 will be the answer. But here he is not asking, white one, here asking black. So black tablet covers. So this 250 will be the answer here. Before going to next question, please do subscribe VitaminIAS Academy for more content and more videos, and you may follow in Telegram and Instagram as well as Facebook in the name of VitaminIAS. Please do follow and please do subscribe to the VitaminIAS Academy, and please share this video to your friends and like this video. Here our next question. If A plus B is B plus C is C plus A is equal to 7:6:5 and A plus B plus C is equal to 27, then what will be the value of 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C? This question came in SSC CGL mains question it is. So let us solve this question. Here the data is A plus B is equal to 7 and B plus C is equal to 6 and C plus A is equal to 5. So if you have combination of all, B, how many B's are there? 2. How many A's are there? 2. How many C's are there? 2. So 2, if you are taking common 2, A plus B plus C is equal to how much? 18. Means 7 plus 6 plus 5, 18. So 5 plus 6, 11, and 11 plus 7, 18. So here A plus B plus C is equal to 18 by 2 is equal to 9. Means we know the value of A plus B plus C. Then easily you can find so individual values here. So if you are just A plus B, how much? A plus B 7. Means 7 plus 6 is equal to 9. So 6 is equal to how much? 2. And A plus B plus C is equal to 9. And B plus C already we know 6. B plus C already we know 6. B plus C, A plus B plus C how much? 6 is equal to 9. Then A is equal to how much? A is equal to 3. If A plus B plus C is equal to 9, we know the value of C here 2 plus, we know the value of A here 3 plus X. If the B value, let us consider the X, then is equal to 9, then X is equal to how much? 4 will come. X is equal to 4 will come. Nothing but B is equal to 4 will come. B is equal to 4. So we know the value of A is equal to how much? A is equal to 3, B is equal to how much? 4, and C is equal to how much? 2. But here they didn't ask about A is to B is to C. They ask about 1 by A is to 1 by B is to 1 by C. So we have to put these values into the ratio. 1 by 3 is to 1 by 4 is to 1 by 2. So we have to do LCM here. 3, 4, 2, LCM how much? 12. LCM 12. So simply place this LCM into the fraction. 12 by 3 is 12 by 4 is and 12 by 2. So here 4s are, and here 3s are, and here 6s are. So finally the ratio will be 4 is 3 is 6. The answer will be 4 is 3 is 6. 4 is 3 is 6. Option C will be the right answer here. Our next question, which of the following ratios in the smallest? Means among these ratios we need to find smallest ratio. So simple question it is. Simply we have to do 3 is to 4. Just make it as 3 by 4. Already I told you in a model, in the initial classes only I told you 3 is to 4, and just multiply with 100. Then you will get the answer. So 3 is to 4 becoming 3 by 4 into 100. Okay, if you want to know which one is the largest one, which one is the smallest one, then we have to multiply with 100. Then easily we will get it. So 3 is to 4 is 3 by 4, you can write it. Along with that 1 is to 2, nothing but 1 by 2 and 100. And along with that 2 is to 5. 2 is to 5, 2 by 5 into 100. And 1 is to 3, nothing but 1 by 3 into 100. Just simply multiplying with 100, then 4 25s are, means 3 25 75. The value 75 came. And 1 by 2 50s are, means 50 value came. So 75 will not be the answer. So A option will not be valid. And 50 came. Now another ratio, 2 is to 5, nothing but 2 by 5 into 100. 5 20s are, means 40. So 50 also not smallest one. So second one is also get cancelled, and remaining third and fourth will be remaining there. So let's see, 1 by 3 into 100. 1 by 3 into 100, 33.33, means here the smallest one is equal to 33.33, means the 1 is to 3 will be the smallest among all. 1 is to 3 will be the smallest among all. So 1 is to 3, option A will be the right answer here. Simply if you want to know the smallest or largest, then just convert into the ratio into the fraction, then fraction multiply with 100, then easily will get the answer of which one is the highest one and which one is the lowest one or the smallest one. Here 10th question, the sum of three numbers is 98. The sum of three numbers is 98. If the ratio of the first to second 2 is to 3, first to second 2 is to 3, and that too second to third 5 is to 8. Let us consider A, B and C. So A is to B how much? 2 is to 3, and B is to C how much? 8, and 5 is to 8. So solve it simply. 2 is to 3, 2 is to 3 and 5 is to 8. Adjacent side you have to replace with the vacant places you have to replace with the adjacent side. So 2 into 5 how much? 10, and 3 into 5 how much? 15, and 3 into 8 how much? 24 here. How much? 24 here. So what is the total value of this thing? Because he's saying that sum of three numbers, means here we take it three members are A is to B is to C, means A, B, C. Sum of three members is equal to how much? 10 plus 15 how much? 25 plus 24 49. So 10x plus 15x plus 24x is equal to 49x. This 49x is equal to how much? 98. So x is equal to how much? 98 by 49, nothing but 2. X value 2. Then the third number is, he is saying the third number means C here. So what is the value of C? So what is the value of C here? 24x. 24x is equal to C here, nothing but third number. So 24 into x value how much came? 2, nothing but 24 2s are 48, and 48 will be the answer here. Option B will be the right answer for this question, and this question came in SSC CGL in 2022, means recent papers only. Our next question, this question asked in CGL means very important question it is. A sum of 46,800 is dividing among A, B, C and D in such a way that the ratio of the combined share of A and D to the combined share of B and C is 8:5. The ratio of the share of B to the C 5:4. So here two ratios he given. Okay, and A receive 18,400, means A receive how much? A value he already given 18,400, and if x is the difference between the share of A and B, means x is equal to difference between means minus A minus B, and y is the difference between the share of C minus D, y is equal to C minus D. Then what is the value of x minus y he want? X minus y he want, and again he gave that total sum how much? Total how much? 46,800, and among A, B, C, D in the ratio of A plus D, combined ratio A plus D by B plus C. B plus C how much? 8:5, nothing but 8/5, and ratio of the share of B to C, here B by C is equal to how much? 5:4, nothing 5/4. Simply we can solve this. Here total sum how much? 46,800, means here A plus B plus C plus D is equal to how much? 46,800, and that too we gave the ratio here. They gave the ratio 8x plus 5x, nothing but how much? 13x, and that too 13x is equal to how much? 46,800, because these are related to the 46,800, because in the question they are saying that 46,800 dividing among A, B, C and D. Okay, that's why A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 13x. That 13x is equal to 46,800, and x will be how much? X will be how much? 46,800 by 13, then 3,600 will be the x value. X value how much? 3,600. Another ratio he given. What is that? B is to C. B is to C how much? 5:4. Here B plus C how much? 9x, means 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. So 9x. And that too here B plus C is equal to 9x. And here we have B plus C is equal to 5. Nothing but 5x. Nothing but 5x and 8x. So here 5x is equal to how much? 5 into 3,600, nothing but 18,000. So B plus C is equal to how much? 18,000. So this B plus C and this B plus C is equal to 9x is equal to 18,000. Again I'm telling you, B plus C have value in this ratio. B plus C value is equal to 18,000 by finding x, and easily we can do it. And coming to here B plus C, the value is 9x. So this B plus C and this B plus C will be equivalent. So B plus C 9x is equal to 18,000. So x is equal to 18,000 by 9, and that too it will be x is equal to 2,000. X is equal to 2,000 here. So if x is equal to 2,000, that what is the value of B by C? B by C, then what is that? 5/4. So 5x by 4x. So 5 into x value how much? 2,000, means 10,000. So B value 10,000, and C value how much? 4 into x. 4 into 2,000, nothing but 8,000. Means here A value how much? B value 10,000. From here we can, and C value 8,000, and A value already he given, initial only A value he given 18,400. So what is the value of C? We have to find it, but we have a simply we can have this type of B plus C and B plus C, or else A plus D. So A plus D how much? Is equal to 8x, and 8x how much here? 3,600, means how much it will be? 28,800. So A plus D is equal to 28,800. Then easily you will get that A value, because already we know the B, C, A, D. Okay, we already know the A value. So A value how much? D value we are finding it. D value, D is equal to 28,800 minus, so A value how much? 18,400. 18,400. Then D value will be 10,400. 10,400. So here D. Okay, here D value it is, and here A value, and here C value, and here B value. So what is the question they are asking? X minus Y, but X is equal to how much? X is equal to A minus B. X is equal to A minus B. A means 18,400 minus B. B how much? 10,000. B how much? 10,000. So resultant will be 8,400. So X value came. So Y same like that. Y is equal to C minus D. C minus D. C value 8,000, means difference between here. This modulus we have to make, because difference it is. They are saying the difference. Okay. So C minus D, 8,000 minus D value how much? 10,400. 10,400. Then what will be the answer? What will be the answer here? 2,400. So Y value came and X value came. So here X minus Y. So X minus Y. X value how much? 8,000. 8,400 minus Y value how much? 2,400 is equal to 8,400 minus 2,400 is equal to 6,000. So X minus Y value 6,000. See the options here. 6,000. Option D will be the right answer. This is the lengthiest question I can say, but here you have to do calculation very sharp, and that we have to find the ratios. Two ratios he given. With that ratio, irrespective of all the things, just write the data here. If you write the data, A already given, and X what he want, X and Y, and X they are giving A minus B, and Y they are giving C minus D, and total value 46,800. With that 46,800, they give the ratio A plus D by B plus C is equal to 8x by 5x. Total 13x, and 13x if you are just calculating, then you will get the X value, and substitute this X value into the ratio, then you will get the values of A plus D, B plus C. Another ratio came, B is to C is equal to 5 is to 4. With that, B plus C is equal to 9x will come. So 9x is equal to B plus C. Already we calculating 18,000 here. Just make them equal. 9x is equal to 18,000. Then x will become, with this x, and you can find B comma C values. B comma C values you can find. From the B comma C value, A comma D values easily you can find. So you already know x is equal to A minus B and y is equal to C minus D. Just substitute this value into the x and y value. Then you will get the 6,000 rupees as the result and answer. This is the lengthy question, and that's why it is given into the mains. But you need to do more fast, that you will save the time for the next questions. Question: if A comma B and C are positive numbers, they are saying positive numbers, such that A square, here A square, these are all A square plus B square plus C square, C square plus A square. Okay, and here A square plus B square is equal to 34, B square plus C square is equal to 61, and C square plus A square is equal to 45. So if you have combination of all, then what you will get? A square plus B square plus B square plus C square plus C square plus A square is equal to how much? 140 will come, because 34 plus 61 plus 45, 140 will come. And here everything b square, a square, c square, means 2. If you are taking the common, then a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 140. Then a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 140 by 2, nothing but 70, means a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 70. You will get it. But what they are asking, that b minus c, a, c minus b, c minus a, means you need to find a value, b value, c, then you can answer this question. So let us find a value here. Here means a plus b plus a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 70, we know it. Along with that, if you want to a value, then b square plus c square value also we know it. Okay, means a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 70, b square plus c square is equal to 61. So a square how much? So if you just cancel, then it will be 9 only. So a square is equal to 9 and a is equal to root 9, nothing but 3, means a value 3 came. A value 3 came. Same like that, if you are solving, then what will happen? Next one, a square plus b square plus c square 70. If you want to find b here, then what will happen? So a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 70, and c square plus a square is a square plus b square is equal to 70. We know that c square plus a square 45 here. So 45 plus b square is equal to 70. B square is equal to 70 minus 45, 25. B is equal to root 25 is equal to 5. Means b value how much? B value came 5. B value came 5. Then a, b, then find the c value here. So c, if you are finding same way, then c value will come. C value same like that. If you can, then 6 will be the c value. I am not solving it directly, but simply we can get it. Okay, because a, b and c value if you know, then easily you can do here. B minus a is c minus b and c minus a here. Okay, b minus a means 5 minus 3. A value 3 and b value 5. East. And c minus b. C minus b, 6 minus 5 is c minus a. C minus a is equal to 6 minus 3. So 5 minus 3 is equal to 6 minus 5, 1, and 6 minus 3 will be the 3. So final answer will be 2:1:3. 2:1:3. Option B will be the right answer for this question, and this question is mains. So now if you are saying that mains questions are time taking, but if you have a very good practice over this type of question, then you can easily solve it. Here our next question, if A is to B is to C is equal to 1/4, 1/4, 1/3 and 1/2. 1/2. Okay, then easily you can find what is the value of A by B, B by C and C by A. C by A. So here just find the LCM to find A, B, C values. So 4, 3, 2. How much? 4, 3, 2. We have two methods here. The first method we are discussing now. So 4, 3, 2. So 4, 3, 2 LCM. 4, 3, 2 LCM, if you are doing it, the LCM will come 12. LCM will come 12. So 12/4, 12/3, 12/2. Then you will get the answer here 3:4:6. 3:4:6. Here they are saying that. But here what happened? Here the question is that need to find A by B, B by C, C by A. So here A value how much? 3, B value 4, C value 6. Just find it. A by B means A by B 3/4, and C is to B, nothing but C by B. You can write it. And what is that happen here? 4 by 6. 4/6. 6 B by C na, the next time asking, and along with that C by A. C by A. C how much? 6 by 3. Here 2s are, here 1s are, here 2s are, here 3s are. Means 3 by 4, 2 by 3, 2 by 1. But here this is not a proper ratio. We have to make them ratio, means again we have to take the LCM here. Again we have to take the LCM here. 4, 3, 1. What is the LCM here? Again 12 will be the LCM here. So LCM, just substitute this LCM into the ratio. 3, 12, 4, 2, 12 by 3, 2, 12, 2, 12. So here 3 3s are and 3 4s are, and here directly it will become 3 3s are 9 east, here 9 east 9 9. Okay, 2 4s are 8, 9 east. Okay, C will be the answer, and 2 12s are 24. So 9 east 8 east 24 will be the right answer, and this is also time taking. That's why it is in mains. You can see the 2019 mains question it is. For that you need to find A, B, C, D, or as A, B, C the values you have to find it. If it is D, then you have to find D also. So another method to solve this A is to B is to C means you have to ignore this value for getting this value, and you have to ignore B value to getting B value. You have to ignore the B value, remaining values multiply, then it will be same like that. Means if you want to A, just ignore A, means 3 into 2. If you want to B, ignore B, then 4 into 2. If you want C, then ignore C, then what will happen? 4 into 3. Means here, what is the common factor here? What is the common here? 2's are common. So 2, 2, 2 2's are. Means 3 east 4 east 6. This is only in a came. So this is a shortcut I am telling you, or else you can do with this type of LCM and you can do it. And this LCM is very clear method, and the shortcuts, if you are practicing more, then you will really save nearly 20 to 30 seconds to solve this question. So try to practice this type of sums, like just ignore. If you want to know A value, then ignore the A value, then remaining 3 into 2 values you have to multiply. Same like that, if you are doing to other B and C, then you will get the answer easily 3 is to 4 is to 6, and the final answer is 9 is to 8 is to 24. Here our next question, and SSC page question it is. Page 9th question means very important question, and that too 2022 recent question it is. A sum of 7410 is divided between A, B and C. Means A, B, C, sum is 7410. The ratio of share of A to the combined share of B and C, means A by combined share of B plus C. B plus C is equal to how much? 9 by 17. And the ratio of share of C to the combined share of A and B, means C by A plus B, how much? 5 by 18. And what is the ratio of B is to C? What is the ratio of B is to C? He is asking that. It is a tricky question, but we already told in the model. Addition of ratios. Addition of ratios already we told in the models solving questions. If you're not, then please go to the class number 2 of ratios and proportions, and class number 1 and 2. Then easily you will get this type of addition problems how to do. So coming to the solution here, so A, B plus C, C, A plus B, means A, B plus C, 9 by 17, C, A plus B, 5 by 8. So both ratios are combinations of 9 plus 17, how much? 9 plus 17, 26. 5 plus 8, how much? 13. So these must be equal, but it's not equal. So we have to make it equal by multiplying some factors, some numbers. 26, 13. So 13 2s are 26, means 13 2s are 26, 26 1s are 26. So 26 and 26 will be equal. Means this ratio multiplied with the 2 and this ratio multiplied with 1, and you will get the answer simply. How? Here again, so A B plus C is equal to 9 into 1 by 17 into 1, nothing but 9 by 17. And here A value already given. A value is how much? 9 now. A value 9. And here C by A plus B. C by A plus B. Here this ratio multiplied with the 2, then only you will get the answer. So C how much? 5. 5 into 2 by 8 into 2 means 10 by 16. So C value how much? 10. A value 9, C value 10. But here asking that B is to C value. B is to C value in it. Means A we already know 9, C value already know. Just submit this here, you will easily get it. What is that? A plus B how much? A plus B how much? 16. Okay, you already know A is equal to 9 and B, 9 plus B is equal to 16. B is equal to 16 minus 9. What is the answer here? 16 minus 9. How much? 9. 16 minus 9, and what you will get? 16 minus 9. 7. What you will get? 7. So here B is to C. What will happen? B value 7, and C value 10. C value 10 means 7 is to 10 will be the answer. So 7 is 10. Option B will be the answer here. Here our next question. A certain sum is dividing among A, B, C and D such that the ratio of the shares A is to B 1 is to 3 and B is to C 2 is to 5 and C is to D 2 is to 3. If the difference between the shares of B and D is means B minus D is equal to 6,435 rupees, then the total sum means here to find total sum means A plus B plus C plus D. So here we need to find complete ratio here. 1 is to 3, 2 is to 5, 2 is to 3. So here adjacent places are there, the vacant places need to fulfill with that adjacent places. 3 here, 3 here, 5 here, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here. So by solving this, how much you will get it? 4 and 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12 and 3 5s are 15, 2s are 30 and 3 5s are and 3s are 45. Here A, B, C, D values came, but here what they said that B minus D is equal to 6,435 means 12x minus 45x is equal to 6,435, and here 33x is equal to 6,435 and x is equal to 6,435 by 33. Then how much you will get it? X is equal to 195. X is equal to 195. But they are asking that what is the total sum? Total sum means here 4x plus 12x plus 30x plus 45x. How much? 91x. But x how much? 91 into 195. So finally the answer will be 17745. 17745 will be the answer. Option C will be the right answer. Here 16th question. The employee of 3 categories A, B, C get their wages in the ratio of 1:2:3. 1:2:3, if they get increment of 5%, 10%, 15% respectively, means A, B, C, A will get 5%, B will get 10%, and C will get 15%. Then what will be the new ratio of their wages? Here 1, 2, 3, it is saying that ratio, means we can take the numbers. Here 100, 200 and 300. Then it will be really simple because it's a percentage is they given. So percent, I told you already, percent means cent 100 reference here. That's why we are taking the 100 numericals, and here saying that, so if you are saying the ratio also same like that, it is equivalent to 1:2:3 ratio, means it is equal to this one. So for our convenience we are taking 1:2:3, becoming 100:200:300, and 5% of 100 means 5% of 100 means 5. 10% of 200 means 20, and 15% of 300 means how much? 45. Okay, here 5% of 100, 5% of 100, 5 means 100% is 100 and 5% is how much? 5 only. So 5. Same like the 200% is 20, 300% is 45. Just add 105, here 220, and here 345. Just if you are cancelling with the 5s, then you will get 21, 44 and 69. So this will be the answer of this. What will be the ratio of their wages after increment? After increment 5%, 10%, 15%. This will be the answer, 21, 44, 69. Option A will be the right answer. This 17th question similar to the 11th question. So please try to do this solution by your own, and please comment the answer in the comment section. If you're not, then please follow the Telegram channel, then you will get the answer. I will post the answer in the Telegram channel. Please try to follow Telegram channel VitaminIAS, and if you are doing it, if you are done with this, please comment the answer in the comment section. Here 18th question. The sum of x dividend among A, B, C such that in the ratio shares of A:B, here A:B 7:12 and B:C 8:5. The difference of share A and C, the difference of say A and C, how much? 214. Then the value of x. Means he want A plus B plus C value. Here again 7:12, 8:15, 12 and 8. Then what is the ratio it will come? Here 8 ones are 8, 4 twos are 4 twos are and 4 threes are. Means how much it will come? 14, 24, 15. 14, 24, 15. Together itself 53x. And we need to find 53x. But here one condition they are given already. A minus C is equal to 214. Here how much? A, B, C. A means 14 minus the difference between A and C, 14 minus 15 is equal to 214. Means x is equal to 214. Means 14x minus 15x. X is equal to 214. Here already knows that x value. Just put it to the x, 53 into 214. Then you will get the answer. 3 4s are 12. Means last digit will be 2. Here last digit will be 2 here. 11342. Simply without calculations only we can see it. Last digit 3 and 4, 12. Last digit 12. So here among all the options, last digit 2, it's only having D. Option D will be the right answer. Here 19th question. A, B, C divide an amount of 10,500 amongst themselves in the ratio of 5:7:9. So A, B, C 5:7:9 means 5x, 7x, 9x. Means total amount how much? Total amount 21x. So 21x is equal to how much? 10,500. So x is equal to how much? 500. X is equal to 500. Here means 5 into 500, 7 into 500, 9 into 500. Means here 2,500, 3,500 and 4,500. But here the question is, if each one gets 500 more, if each one gets 500 more, means here 500 plus and here 500 plus and here 500 plus. 2,500 plus 500 how much? 3,000. And 3,000 plus 3,500 plus 500 4,000, and 4,500 plus 500 5,000. So if you are just dividing by 1000, then what you will get? 3:4:5. The answer will be 3:4:5. Option A will be right answer. Here sum of 2,002 rupees is divided among ABC. Divided among ABC means A plus B plus is equal to 2,002. The ratio of 3:4:6 means 3x plus 4x plus 6x is equal to 2,002. Means what happened? 13x is equal to 2,002. So x will be 154. X will be 154. He already knows the x value. And what he is asking, find the share of B. Find the share of B. Means how much share it is B? 4x. B share how much? 4x. 4 into x value how much? 154. 154. 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16 means last digit 6 should become. Here zeros 2 0. So all wrong. 6 will be the right answer. Means 6 16 will be the right answer. Option A will be right answer. This is all about for today video. If you like this video, please do subscribe to VitaminIAS Academy and share this video to your friends and like this video. And before that, if you have any doubts regarding this topic or any topic, please do follow to VitaminIAS Telegram channel. Then you will get the clarification regarding the doubts. And please do subscribe VitaminIAS Academy YouTube channel. Along with that, in this all 20 questions we are taking from the different sources, and that too it's a SSC CGL mains as well as page 9 page 10, means very important question from different sources and different examinations. Please do follow this VitaminIAS Academy for more content. In further videos we will discuss about more questions regarding ratios, then we will discuss about proportions. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.